Ever felt like you're driving with candles for headlights? Say goodbye to dim yellow lights and upgrade to Fahren LED headlights, the ultimate super bright solution for night driving. Up to 800% brighter than halogens. That's not just bright, that's sun on wheels bright. With up to 32,000 lumens and a crisp 6,500 Kelvin daylight color, you'll see clearer, farther, and wider without blinding oncoming drivers. See the difference? Your road trips, late-night drives, and foggy mornings just got a serious glow-up. Don't be that driver struggling to see like it's the 1800s. Upgrade your ride and light up the night. 10-minute easy installation. Plug and play, no mechanics needed, over 60,000 hours lifespan, no more replacing bulbs every year, waterproof and durable. Rain or shine, Fahren's got you covered. Reliable, efficient, crystal clear vision. Trust me, I've been using these for years on 3 different vehicles, and they never disappoint. Ready to upgrade your headlights and drive with confidence? Click the link below and grab yours today. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more awesome tech and car upgrades #and Tinker Team.